Hi, I'm David Ryan. I'm the town engineer for the town of Nags, and I'd like to provide an update on the town stormwater master planning effort. The stormwater master plan, which began in July of 2017, consisted of a multi-year approach towards stormwater management here within the town of Nags. It was broken into parts due to the fact that the town wanted to continue to commence with construction work as well as proceed with planning efforts at the same time. So the first part consisted of the initial look and assessment at the problem areas throughout town with the development of a project area listing, which was prioritized based upon a predetermined set of criteria. This then proceeded to breaking that out into further segments to try to carry forward as soon as possible to get these projects under construction. The segments were broken out into the top 5 project areas, and then in later years consideration of the remaining 8 projects. So in March of 2018 at the town's CIP or Capital Improvement Workshop, our board considered the top 5 projects with 2 different alternatives, which was prepared by the town's engineering consultant, Withers Ravenel. Each one of those areas was reviewed, assessed for potential benefits in these problem areas, and it was determined at the town's budget workshop in June that we would proceed with the top 3 with a second look at project areas number 4 and 5. And all of this was done in order to proceed to construction as soon as possible, which those funds became available on July 1, 2018. From there, we commenced to surveying as far as trying to get the existing conditions within the project areas, utility locates, and interagency coordination with regards to meeting with the regulatory agencies and getting the necessary permits to go to construction. The town has been working with our engineering consultant with the design development over the past several months in working towards final construction documents, which are now in the process of being finalized. The next step in the process is to go out to bid. We will be following the formal bidding guidelines based upon the value of the project. We anticipate that will happen at the end of November, and then we will have a bid opening right before Christmas. And the next part of the process will be for board consideration of the construction contract, and then the financing portion of that, which will be performed by the local government council and the review of the financing. Once this is complete, we hope to be under construction for the 3 project areas in late February of 2019. And we anticipate that depending on the project, we're looking at a potential 3 to 4 month construction window for each. On a parallel path, our engineering consultant has been working on the remaining 8 projects, or in this part it's 9 project areas, with one of these projects being incorporated into the town's multi-use path planning efforts. So this information will be carried forward at the board's CIP workshop in the March-April timeframe of this coming year, and again following the same approach that we had previously, with several different alternatives being provided and assessments as to the benefit of each one of these project areas for our board to consider and carry forward for future construction efforts.